Yes.
Students, yesterday I had told you present perfect, affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. Now, today I am going to teach you interrogative negative sentence of present perfect tense. The pattern of interrogative negative sentence is helping verb plus subject plus not plus verb third form plus object plus question mark. Examples to translate हिंदी into English, क्या वह गृह कार्य नहीं कर चुका है? As per the sentence, helping verb has he not done his homework? क्या तुम नदी में नहीं तैर चुके हो? Have you not swum in the river? क्या वे क्रिकेट मैच नहीं खेल चुके हैं? Have they not played cricket match? These are the examples of interrogative negative sentence. Some more examples I shall directly write in English. Just see. Has she not sung a song? Has father not reached to his office? Have you not seen the Hawa Mahal? Has he not written a letter to his mother? These are the some examples for your interrogative negative sentence of present perfect. Now, the final thing is simple word of present perfect. Simple word just, already, recently, yet, not yet, so far, up to now. These are the simple word of present perfect tense. How to fill the correct form of present perfect? Just see. For example, she just buy a new sari. In this sentence, there are two blanks. One is for helping verb, another verb is for verb. She has just bought a new sari. I already see the red fort. In this also, I have already seen the red fort. My father had recently gone to Udaipur. She not come so far from school. She has not come so far from the school. Like this, you can write correct form of the verb in the present perfect tense. Next tense is present perfect continuous. For teaching present perfect continuous, first and foremost, you should know where since and for is used. Since and for. Use of since and for or since for. So today I shall teach you first use of since or for. Use of since. Since and for use of since or for since is used for time, for point of time. In Hindi we call this निश्चित समय. निश्चित समय के लिए since का प्रयोग होता है. What are the point of time? Time in watch, घड़ी का बजना. Example, since 6 p.m. since 4 o'clock. Second point, today, tomorrow, yesterday. Third point, name of the month. Fourth point, name of the week. Say, since January, since Monday, and time of in watch, today, tomorrow, yesterday, before, since today, name of the week, before, morning, evening, and afternoon, since is used, and the last is for year, say, since 1999, 2020, etc. These are the 6 points where you use since. Since is used for point of time. For time it is used since or for both are used for time only, but since is used for point of time. And what are the point of time? Time in watch, घड़ी के अंदर बजना, today, tomorrow, yesterday, name of the month, name of the month, name of the week, before morning, evening, and afternoon, and year since 99, 2002, etc. This is used for since. Now, gentlemen, today. Further, I shall teach you the use of for. The use of for. For is used. It is used for period of time. Period of time. समय की अवधि के लिए for का प्रयोग किया जाता है. समय की अवधि के लिए for का प्रयोग किया जाता है. अवधि, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, for 10 minutes, for 10 hours, for 10 days, for 10 months, for 10 weeks, 10 years. These are the period of time. Period of time, समय की अवधि जिसका बारे में हमको पता नहीं है कि वह अवधि कौन सी है, कहाँ से कहाँ तक है. For this period of time, we are using for. Students, again, in next lesson, I shall teach you the present perfect continuous. In the present perfect continuous, since and for is used. That is why I told you today how the use of since and for. Thank you. See you again.